In this video, I will show you how you can block and unblock phone numbers on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the phone app, then tap on Recents. And from here, just select the phone number which you want to block. For example, I'll select this number, then tap on the three lines over here. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for block. Now just tap on block and select block. Now after you do that, the selected number will be blocked. If you want to block a contact from the Contacts app, just open the app drawer and open the Contacts app. And from here, just select the contact number which you want to block. After that, just tap on the eye icon. Now from here, just tap on More. And from this pop-up menu, just select Block Contact. Then just select Block. Now after you do that, the selected contact will be blocked. Now to manage all the blocked numbers, just go back to the phone app. And from here, just tap on Contacts. Tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now under Call Settings, you will find the option for block numbers. Just tap on it. And over here, you will find all the numbers and all the contacts which you have blocked. Now in this section, you can enter another number which you want to block. After you enter the number, then tap on the plus icon and you will block the entered number. If you want to block calls from unknown numbers, just enable this toggle. Now if you want to unblock a number which you have blocked earlier, just tap on the minus icon on the contact number which you want to unblock. Now after you do that, the contact number will be unblocked. Now if you want to unblock all the numbers in this section, then just tap on the three dots over here and select Unblock All Numbers. Then tap on Unblock, and by doing that, you will unblock all the numbers which you have blocked earlier. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.